Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really exciting for you, two amazing recipes that are both healthy and absolutely delicious. First, we're making a light and tasty diet-friendly celery dish. I'll show you how to make it rich in flavor and aroma without adding extra calories. It's healthy, comforting, and you're going to love it. Next, we're making a lean roast beef sandwich high in protein, healthy, and full of flavor in every bite. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and stay with me till the end, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, this oil is homemade by me. If you're interested, leave a comment and I'll share the recipe with you. You can use it as a substitute for olive oil. We saute the onions, celery, meat, dried lime, and tomato paste together until they become nice and aromatic. Pro tip: curry powder adds amazing depth to the flavor. Try to get some and don't skip it. Celery stew isn't just delicious and light, it's packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. Celery helps with digestion, has anti-inflammatory properties, and thanks to its low calories, it's perfect for any diet. If you're looking for a healthy, satisfying, and guilt-free meal, this dish is a fantastic choice. Once the meat is fully cooked and most of the liquid has evaporated, we add the cooked red beans to the dish. Cover the pot and let it cook for another 30 minutes so the excess liquid reduces. In the end, enjoy this delicious dish with rice or simply on its own. Now that our delicious celery dish is ready, let's move on to the second recipe: a healthy roast beef sandwich. To start, we place garlic, onion, and meat in a pan over low heat without using any oil. Then we add about 1 cup of water, letting the meat cook slowly in its own juices and steam. This healthy method brings out the natural flavors and lets the aroma of the garlic and onion infuse beautifully into the meat. For the sauce, we're using a refreshing and healthy mix of Greek yogurt, grated garlic, freshly chopped parsley, and a splash of fresh lemon juice. This sauce is light, creamy, and adds a burst of flavor to our sandwich. The Greek yogurt gives it a rich texture, the garlic brings a sharp and aromatic kick, the parsley adds freshness, and the lemon juice balances everything out with a bit of acidity. It's a delicious, homemade sauce that's both diet-friendly and full of flavor. Guys, the oil you saw in the video is actually my own homemade blend I mentioned at the beginning. If you'd like to learn how to make it, just drop a comment and I'll share the recipe with you. But feel free to use olive oil instead. It's a healthy and great alternative for this recipe. Since I'm on a diet, I served mine with whole wheat bread. Feel free to add any veggies you like on the side. Personally, I think it tastes amazing with lettuce, pickles, and tomatoes. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed these 2 healthy and tasty recipes. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next ones. Until next time, take care and eat well.